Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Minecraft launcher not connecting to internet. First thing you should do here is go to your start menu and then search for system component, okay? And then what you're going to do next is tap on open. In the system component, you have to locate a Microsoft Store. So you have to click Microsoft Store and then look for advanced options. Now what you're going to do here is you have to look for the repair button or option. Click, and then once done, you can also now tap on reset. Once you have repaired and reset this, you can also restart your PC and then see if this method works. If not, the next thing to do is go to your date and time. So you can go to the start menu or search menu and then look for date and time right here. Now you need to look for the sync option. Make sure that you have toggled this on. And after that, once the time or date and time is correct, you can now sync and see if this method works. Now, if not, the very last thing you should do here to fix this problem is just go to your Microsoft Store. So go to the start menu and then look for Microsoft Store. And then this time, log out your account or sign out from your account and then sign in again. And basically, these are the ways on how to fix Minecraft launcher not connecting to internet. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.